We're going to teach you a really cool method that you can use in normal conversation so that if somebody's talking about a problem, you can amplify that problem, get them deeply involved with their emotions. That gives you an opportunity to use hypnotic commands.
Exactly. Because when someone is experiencing a strong emotion, Weitzenhofer said this, Esterbrook said it, Freddie Jacquin says it, create an emotion, give a suggestion. Strong emotions get the critical faculty part of your mind out of the way. Strong emotions get you in there. And what you do is say your friend is saying, oh, I just want to quit my job. I can't stand my job. And they're always complaining about it. You amplify the negative emotions. How bad can you feel about it? How bad do you feel about it right now? What's frustrating about it? And start to amplify it. Let them talk about it and listen and feedback their language. Oh, I just don't like it. You don't like it. When their emotions are very strong, you now have an inroad. And you say an embedded command hidden in an ordinary sentence. Like some people find it easy to quit your job at the appropriate time. You've amplified their state and now you've slipped in the words quit your job. And you're only doing this if it's going to be helpful for them and they're not taking the step or get in shape or whatever it is.
Right, so you're just going to use embedded commands. Now I want to point out we do have these hypnotic language cards. I'll make sure that depending on what platform you're on, link in bio, you can get these cards, or if it's on YouTube, we'll put a link in the description under the video so you can get the cards if you want and the training that goes along with them, which is awesome. And yeah, you can use this stuff. So keep in mind, all you've got to do is wait for somebody to start talking about a problem. That's seeding it, right? Then we're going to amplify by using questions
to make it stronger.
That get them to really get in touch with those emotions. They'll be associated into this deep emotional state through the questions that you ask them. Then you simply slip into hypnotic language, drop in an embedded command that will be useful to them, and it'll be more likely to slip through that critical faculty
right into the unconscious,
go into their unconscious and help them make changes. So if that's the kind of thing that interests you, check out the cards, and you can also check out the Mike Mandel Hypnosis Academy. But I'm not going to tell you too many things to do because that would be confusing. So we want you to check out the cards. All right, see you in the next video. Thanks again, and good night.